want your face on camera or no? Okay. So I'm here with Vinci Enrique.
That's me.
And this is his car. This is a part of the Lazy Man profiles that we're going to be doing. God damn, this thing is fucking gorgeous. Just look at how neat everything is. Is it fully built?
Not quite. It's just full bolt-ons.
Full bolt-ons?
Yeah. Last motor I had blew up, so I decided to just leave this one with the bolt-ons, but I'll refresh the motor up later.
Damn. Does your mom be tripping on you that you use the oven?
No.
No?
I buy my own oven, so it's a trip. Yeah.
Jeez. You guys should definitely follow this guy on Instagram. He teaches you a lot of things, like how to get this back to the way it looks right now, instead of it being all yellow and crusty looking, like my ex-wife. I was never married, just for shits and gigs. God damn. Yeah, my friend Alex was thinking about getting one of these too, but he was like, "Fuck, bro, I don't know. It's expensive."
Yeah, they tend to crack. It's something I gotta look at.
That's the cleanest it gets out here.
Oh, I see. Yeah. No, a little bit.
Jesus.
I'm like, okay, they switching gears or what? No, I was gunning it. That one's gunning? Yeah. There's hope.
S2000 cluster flock dash. That is what is that called again? The brand?
Oh, IRP. It's from a BMW E30.
And it has the JDM armrest, which I thought was an EG armrest because I'm retarded, but it has the cup holder for it. I can barely see it on my screen. Does this bar? What is this?
It's a Miracle Next collab. It's like a roll bar, I guess. It's a full roll bar, and it ties into the X bar in the back.
Does it ever get in the way?
Never.
Yo, what?
And then the whole interior is all.
What is that? That is sick. Where'd you get that?
I got it online. I can't think of the brand right now, but a lot of S2K guys like to run it.
That is so sick. Is it cool if I sit in?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm telling you, this guy fixes everything on these cars. Like, he fixed the window wobble. Look at this. I know you DA guys had that wobble. Oh. Damn. This is nice. Oh, the roof is flocked or is wrapped? That is so sick. Is this flocked or wrapped?
That's wrapped. I fucking cut my hand a couple times. Yeah, it hurt.
It's legit, dude. Oh my god, this car is so clean. Look at that. Look at the buttons. Look at how minty those look. Jesus. Jesus. Gathers. That's sick.
Yeah.
That is dope. Is this custom made?
Yeah, custom made.
You made it yourself, huh?
Yeah.
God, dude, why don't you make these and sell them?
It's too much time and effort, and yeah, it's a little segway box. Kind of might redo this, but I don't know yet.
No spare tire?
No, that's why I kind of want to redo it, but maybe down the road. But then I got this battery relocated.
So is this fiberglass right here, or just wood?
Oh, it's all wood.
All wood?
Yeah. And then wrap with speaker cloth.
Did you take carpentry or something?
No.
No?
No.
Damn. The Miracle X. Carbon fiber. Jeez. Gathers too? Are those the covers or the whole thing?
The covers, the speakers actually sounded like crap, so I upgraded the speakers.
The Gather speakers are always ass nowadays.
Yeah. It's only 30 plus years old.
Damn. What's going on under here? Anything? Underneath?
Underneath, yeah. Got a full ASR, subframe, lower control arms, sway bar, thermal 3-inch exhaust.
Jesus.
A lot of hard race bushings, hard race trailing arm, hard race front control arms.
Look at this. Jesus. This car is clean. It's ridiculously clean. And I like how it's like a little bit of OEM, but not
too crazy.
Yeah, not too crazy.
Yeah.
like the stickers and everything where they belong.
Yeah, like it's a mile tuck that you just don't even see, but everything's actually mile tucked in here.
Do they make custom AC lines like for these?
I guess you can make them, but I don't think they make custom AC lines. I guess you can always just make the lines and bend them.
Do you know how to make them by chance?
No.
No.
Pretty sure someone knows that, but.
What kind of suspension are you on?
Just Megan Racing.
Megan Racing?
Yeah.
Any issues with them or no?
No, I had them for like 10 plus years. They've actually been on a couple cars before it came to mine.
G development bolts?
Yeah, G-development bolts all around.
MPC. Thought somebody was calling me over there. I was like, what the fuck? Right wire harness?
Yeah, right where budget tuck harness.
Damn. That's what I'm telling my friend Alex to do. I'm like, get one of these, dude.
You don't want one of those.
Why?
The fitment's trash.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, and then you can actually see here if you look closely, the craftsmanship isn't that great.
Oh, shit.
Fitment sucks. I actually had to rivet at the underside of it, so that way I can put bolts in it just to hold it down flat.
And then this is that CompTech, right?
Comtech airbox from the EM1. Yeah, I actually had to cut the bottom portion of the airbox off just to get it to fit and make my own brackets and powder coat them. So that's what you see there.
Is it easy to powder coat or is it hard?
It's easy.
It's easy?
Yeah, you can do it in your garage easily.
I don't need I have to have an oven though, right?
You can get a mini oven. Like toaster oven?
Would that valve cover fit in the toaster oven?
Fuck no. But you can do small brackets. I mean, you can start brackets, bolts, heads of the bolts or something. I don't know.
So yeah, Enrique came all the way down from San Francisco. He's going to a meet out in Irvine tomorrow. So if you guys are out in Irvine, you guys will see this car. Enrique, thank you for coming through.
Hey, anytime.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next profile video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you guys would like to buy a t-shirt, links are down in the description down below. My name is Chris from Lazy Man Garage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.